Okay, this is the retail version of the Sony A7R VI. I think I'm getting it before most people, because the local store put it up for sale too early, which means I can now help everyone else confused by the influencers and camera channels. So this is what's in the box. Usual documentation, camera strap with the name, just one battery. Some people said you get two, but no, you just get one in the retail version. But you do get that double charger, so that means yes, buy another battery, but don't buy another charger. And then there's whatever this thing is. Disclaimer, I'm not a pro, just a YouTuber. I don't know everything. I'll look at that later. And then you have the actual camera. Nothing underneath. I'm getting this to replace a Canon R5. Very similar in size, as you can see here. Also, shouldn't the screen be inward when you first get it out? You know, avoid potential damage during transport? That seems weird. And that's it. So you get the charger, but it needs a USB Type-C cable. Where's the cable? Did they really charge that much money for a camera and not include a cable? I understand on the lower tier models, but this is more up there with the flagship. When I use this one I think I got with the Canon R5, the battery charger just flashes at me. I tested another cable, and it kept flashing then too. Not as plug and play as you'd expect. Now we have to make sure we have the right cables for this, or to find out what I'm doing wrong. And that stress could be avoided or made simpler by Sony just including the recommended cable. The good news is you can just put the battery in the camera and then charge it that way. That seems to work. And that's probably what I'll be doing anyway. But still, come on, Sony, how much is a cable really worth? Are your profits really that low? Not cool. Now, against the R5, R5 feels better in the hand, but nothing I'm actually going to complain about. However, as a tech reviewer, I need a camera that makes my work life easier. The Canon R5 was amazing with its stabilization. It's not perfect, but it suits what I do. As you see in this footage I'm shooting of the A7R VI. These are kind of gimbal-like panning shots at 4K 120 FPS, and that's on a 6-year-old camera. So is the A7R VI actually worth the upgrade? I will find out, and I'm definitely going to test the stabilization, so if you want to see how good that is, let me know in the comments, or anything else you need to know as well. No bias here, I'm just looking for a camera that'll suit me, and I know how much stress goes into choosing the right camera, so let me know and I'll see what I can do. Hope that helps for now. I do have links if you want to help support what I do, thanks to my other channel, but for camera stuff and other things I'm going to do here, subscribe to this one, like and share as always, and I'll catch you in the next.